There are two ways to export data from MySQL Workbench to a CSV file. I'll show you both ways as well as how to configure the output. Let's say you've got a query with results. You might be tempted to select all of the results and copy and paste them into an Excel spreadsheet to save as CSV. That may work, but it's a bit messy. Luckily, there's an easier way, and that is the first method of this video. With your results in MySQL Workbench, click on this Export Record Set button. This opens a Save File dialog box with the file type of CSV. Enter a file name, select a location and save the file. The CSV is now saved. That was pretty quick and easy, right? This method just saves the results of your query. But what if you want to export an entire table? You could write a select star query on the table and repeat this process, but there is a better way. The second method to export data to a CSV file is exporting an entire table. In MySQL Workbench, go to the schema on the left of the window. Expand the database that has the table you want to export. Expand Tables and find the table you want to export. Right-click on the table and select Table Data Export Wizard. The Table Data Export Wizard will appear. You can change the table you want to export with this drop-down at the top if you selected the wrong one. You can select which columns you want to include or exclude from the export. I'll leave them all selected. Click Next. Now we can select the output file or the CSV file where the data will be saved. Click Browse. Choose a location for the file and enter a file name for this CSV file. Click Save and the file name is populated into the file path field. You can leave the format of CSV selected here. You can also change some of the settings for the export, including the line separator, what to enclose strings in, field separator, and how to treat null values. I would suggest changing the field separator to a comma instead of a semicolon, as that's what is used more often. However, if you have a need for a specific character or if some of your fields contain commas, then you can use a different character here, like a semicolon or a vertical pipe. If you have any issues reading the columns from CSV files in the right places, then this may be the field to change. Let's move on and click Next. On this Export Data screen, it lists the tasks that will be performed. Click Next. The data will be exported to a CSV file, and green ticks should appear next to each step. Click Next. The results are shown including the file name, the time taken and the number of rows. Click Finish. Let's look at the CSV file. Here is the CSV file we just exported from our database. It's a simple process to create this CSV file. You can either follow a wizard for a table or save the results of a query. If you want to export an entire database to an external file, that's also possible in MySQL Workbench, and you can watch this video here to learn how to do that. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.